Zara even put the cap back on the toothpaste when she was done. Oh, what an amazing little girl.
Meet Zara, a clever, responsible, and sometimes anxious 7-year-old girl who lives with her mother and 4-year-old little brother. Like a lot of kids her age, Zara struggles with managing her emotions in sticky situations. In Zara's Big Messy Day, that turned out okay, a picture book for readers aged 4 to 8, children will join her for an ordinary day where she faces 3 obstacles. Guided by Zara's mother, both Zara and the reader will learn a simple breathing technique, a short visualization meditation that will help them to find peace and calm in any moment. This book is by me, Rebekah Borucki. I'm a meditation guide, self-help author, and a mother of 5. And this is me reading the book to my son's 2nd grade class. I'm proud to say that they loved it. My advanced readers are already enjoying Zara too. Take a look.
It was Monday morning and Mama was busy making breakfast.
She always remembered to put her pajamas away, get dressed, and brush her teeth.
It was Monday morning and Mama was busy.
But she was never too busy to tuck Zara into bed.
Sam likes Chinese food, so Mama didn't spend all of dinner time reminding him to stay in his seat.
Instead of helping Zara, Sam made a mess with his blocks.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Zara yelled as she ran to her bedroom and slammed the door.
I used to stuff so many of my feelings down inside that it felt like I might explode. Grandma taught me something when I was a little girl that helped me a lot. Maybe it can help you too.
Penelope laughed at Zara's new light-up shoes. Zara clenched her hands into fists and twisted her mouth into a grimace. She wanted to yell at Penelope, but then Zara remembered.
Close your eyes. Follow the flowers. Blow out the candles.
I'm so excited for this book to land in little hands. Please help make this campaign a success by pre-ordering Zara's Big Messy Day right now at zarabook.com and sharing this campaign on social media.
It was Monday morning and Mama was busy making breakfast, busy trying to get Zara's little brother Sam to eat breakfast, busy getting ready for work. This is what every morning is like, Zara thought.